When Lala was competing in popular singing contest 超级星光大道 last year, the Taiwanese singer-songwriter once said she would open a shop if she won the competition. And what would it sell? Well, chicken cutlets, and she'd name it 星光鸡排店. How's her chicken cutlet dream coming along?
这个梦想哦，当初那个讲说要开星光鸡排店，是因为很爱吃鸡排啦，然后也没有就是仔细的、审慎的评估和考虑过，而且我那时候觉得我不可能会真的拿到第一名，所以我就想说，哎，就是大家开心就好了，然后没想到后来，真的有这个机会了。那当然，现在我的身份当然不可能再回头去当鸡排店的老板嘛。我觉得好像太奇怪了，所以我现在当然还是以就是进入音乐圈，然后好好的发展。那鸡排店这个东西呢，就是大家请就把它忘记。
In Singapore to promote her debut album, the newly minted star had a taste of Hainanese chicken rice, which she loved. How does it stand up against her favorite Taiwanese chicken cutlet?
不一样，台湾的鸡排比较像是零食，因为那是炸的，就是吃开心的。可是这边的鸡饭它就是主食啊，就可以吃饱的，然后也比较不会吃太多会腻啊或者是什么。现在比较不敢吃了，因为太油了，而且那个炸的东西其实对喉咙会很伤，所以现在都尽量不吃炸的。
We've talked about her love for food and needing to diet, and the sacrifices she's had to make to become a singer. Next, find out if it's affected her love life.